Hey everyone, so I know the holidays are going to look a little different this year, but whether or not you're able to be with your loved ones, you can still enjoy a virtual holiday happy hour. I'm going to show you how to make two of my favorite cocktails. One is for my gin lovers and the other for my bourbon folks. So first, let's kick off with our gin cocktail. It's a Campari Mint Spritz, and this is what you'll need. 1 part gin, 1 part Campari, love this bitter guy, half a part cranberry juice, 3 parts Prosecco, and some fresh mint leaves and cranberries for garnish. All right, so starting off with a stemless wine glass, we'll want to make sure that it's filled with ice and take 1 part over ice. Then we're gonna go to our Campari. Again, a very delicious, bittersweet treat. We're gonna add half a part cranberry juice and then 3 parts Prosecco. And then for our garnish, we're gonna add a few cranberries and some mint leaves. Hit the mint leaves against your hand a little bit, it's gonna waken them up, and then you're good to go. Okay, so now for our bourbon cocktail, a spiced pear old fashioned. Here's what we're gonna need for our syrup. We're gonna combine all of these ingredients into a saucepan, chopping the pear into 1/2-inch pieces and smashing the cinnamon, star anise, and allspice with the side of a knife against a cutting board. All right, so we're gonna heat this over a medium heat until a few bubbles begin to pop up, allowing this mixture to simmer, stirring occasionally, of course, for 10 minutes. We're gonna allow it to cool now fully before straining out the spices and additional chunks of pear. We're gonna press down firmly here to get any additional juice out of the pear. All right, so we're gonna set that to the side. And we're gonna pour 1 shot of the pear simple syrup right over the ice. And then we're gonna do 2 parts of our Basil Hayden's on top. And then we're gonna let this stir for about 5-10 seconds. All right, once those ingredients are combined, we're gonna take our mixer here, put it right over the top, pour ourselves a delicious drink. All right, pro tip, if you're looking to make an impression with some stylish cocktails, here are 5 essentials you should add to your next Shipt order. A mixing glass, an old-fashioned glass, a great bourbon, and don't forget the simple syrup and a little bitters. Be sure to visit shipt.com/blog for more holiday inspiration.